Ajagurajah ni baby a wutie me say wo fie so wa bochire say infa na wo ensuro me Kwabena Asiamah me shobo me ji onyankopɔ twede mpodi ni bofanya Ajagurajah shobo say ade a friend coronavirus that man made disease emma wo obusuafo so da be shobo uri bi ntia ti na me na ntwie bo hoyi de be srempa e body amount wo ya Ajagurajah ni ba tie bi o wo ya Ajagurajah ni ba de na ntwie ba be srempa e body amount say wo no obusua
A few moments later.
But I am a victim of coronavirus.
Oh, you had it?
Yes, I had it.
The spirit allowed you to contract.
But before on corona, before on corona. If
so
you're not
you
careful,
had it. You had it.
Yes, I had it. If you're not careful,
how was it?
Trust me, it's worse than death itself. It is.
It's painful.
And feel free. You'll be having so many dreams.
I'm glad you knew. So you were hallucinating. Did you hallucinate?
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me, I nearly died.
This is the when any patchy, you know, any power.
Menkaza show ye. But me so be tell say susuma yamu show. Na coronavirus e bi nya wo da wo obusia.
I have personal experience of COVID-19. Hey, guy. Nyame nko anti COVID-19 dey. Feni agro. E fe nyame na me tell say bofo on sa COVID-19.
Wa wo ya Ajagurajah ni ba. Ebi na ntwe ba be sedam kai body amount.
Nyame na me tell say bofo on sa COVID-19.
I can follow proverb be almost say okotrekwa say obema untoma na watie de den edenti omusan so ebe foforo say aponchi ka say obema perfume aponchi goat or say obema perfume smelling the forehead no so smelling the forehead na ube hu say aponchi no oni any perfume bia or the bema adenti na make say ubeka ya 2020 mu ho no edeba no say there was a pandemic all over the world. There was COVID. Now during that time no na amanfo bebre enya that virus no Muslims, Christians, traditionalists na obia enya bi politicians and so on. That's how Abrantie Ajagurajah we obekan say ono de obi bia oba na so dem no esan sa entity na odeni ye adwuma ye friend Ajagurajah no nti obi ani hodoma obenya virus ni bi eno no he was saying it and he was sort of bragging and I was see the nti obia enye bi ni say o wonantwi e wo ha obetwa sa nantwi no say de be ya obia oba the movement no bi anase oba na so ni bi no obi ani hodoma obenya sa virus ni bi. In the course of the pandemic no afei de na yenteni kabiam afei de opie no oko grantee interview ewo FM stations and ase amanfo ba no ho a obudi de bedin kobo no na omobisa no about the COVID no na o say onya bi o na nyame ko anka oyewu na I began to ask myself say abrantie we a o say owo ahobambo wa opa ahobambo brane ho obetima bo ho ban enobudi ade no ebani say na otiminya asa de we bia etimi ema no yare ya o say kanyame ko anka oyewu say de o kan no o say nyame ko anka oyewu ebani say na obi a o say oba betwa dwan ama o members for from the protection against the pandemic. Ebani say na we say wa spiritual protection there yare yi ba ya went to be among for hoban now wa corona we say oba among for hoban wo mo na wonya sa virus ni bia nyame ko anka abrantie e bianka owi enuti. It is so funny. Now I will make a statement at the end of the video. It will my yeko video no, and then I will give my comment at the end of the day. Say the first time I open my channel is kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, after drop a comment if possible, so I hit the bell no, the notification bell so that me drop any new video be on submit me account alert no. So let us go and listen to what he said.
Coronavirus ba yina menkasa ame pemere na makasa na menkasa ba konchiro Ajagurajah ni bia wutie me ele Ajagurajah a wutie me a wutisha bo penya Ajagurajah a wo ba universal spiritual attribute teacher me Kwabena Asiamah me show coronavirus no obusuafo ebi ba wo so da menkasa nhwo hu ye ba me so be tell say susuma yamu show na coronavirus ebi nya wo da wo no obusia uri bi ntia say no president frɛ asofo so mo kɔbɔ mpaye president jimpai body San Vice President Africa Chief Imam Nipo phone na so mbompa. Yes, so sorry, me so Kwabena Asiamah Ajagurajah, me so me yamede. Me so me no ma me yeti na me nantwie bo hoyi. Me be srempa e body amount. Wo we Ajagurajah ni ba tie bi o. Wo we Ajagurajah ni ba. Me di nantwie ba be srempa e body amount. Se wo no obusua. E bin council. Coronavirus nti. Wonantwie kase bo ho. Na ke ye ni Easter. But Easter no, say na President Esiaka say, e mo bi anya so di nti no. Ye na media ba ni mu. Na me boa Ajagurajah ni ba bia wutie me say wo fie so wo abochire say infa na wo ensuro me Kwabena Asiamah me shobo me Onyankopon twede mpodi ni bof penya Ajagurajah shobo say ade a friend coronavirus, that man made disease enye Onyankopon disease, it is a man made disease emma woni obusuafo so gabe shobo bia wo bia ma yemu nsho kai wo so papa Kwabena Asiamah, I have you in mind. Me srempa body ma Ajagurajah ni babiara. Me srempa body ma Ajagurajah ni babiara. Say, everybody mo ban no hu mo bo. Won ba sa ya di wo we say en kan bi en obusuafo.
A few moments later.
And as on say adan ni doso. They say me dey hear me pay safety protocols no COVID-19 no because it is real. Yes, I have personal experience of COVID-19. Hey. Guy. Anti COVID-19 there. Na me chose bofo on COVID-19.
So it shouldn't just be because of coronavirus.
No. Coronavirus now.
Right.
Everybody who has been there before will tell you.
Did anyone in your church contract the virus?
I know one, but I am a victim of coronavirus.
Oh, you had it?
Yes, I had it.
The Spirit allowed you to contract it.
But bofo on corona bofo on corona.
No,
Leja kura yari ni kuno. If
so
you're not careful,
you had it.
Yes, I had it. If you're not careful,
how was it?
Trust me, it's worse than death itself.
Yeah. So for the people who don't believe, who think it's a hoax, what do you tell them?
They are just stupid. Ajagurajah told me himself, like that. Asiamah, corona and you soon yade. It is a man-made disease.
Right.
So you want spiritual be.
So you quarantined?
Yes.
For 2 weeks.
I'm telling you. It is.
It's painful.
Right. And feel free. You'll be having so many dreams.
I'm glad you made it. So you were hallucinating. Did you hallucinate?
Trust me.
Yeah.
Trust me. I nearly died.
I'm so sorry.
I'm
glad. I'm glad you.
So coronavirus. I always tell people, say, nobody's spiritual than me. He is very spiritual, but coronavirus, spirit him call. You understand? So there are some things you just don't debate on it. Corona is real, so you need to be careful.
Why am I making this video? I'm making this video said about me the better wa who feel say wo GD was our branch here we mu. Ebi awoko Assemblies of God Pentecost and I say bia asori awoko asori no eji Jesus Christ di e bompaye eya komchini eye bibia o sia no de ompe no shew enu ti no o gya kwakodi abrantie Ajagurajah wo yachi na sa brantie yi o kan asemu ne o china no obeka foforo o say o betwa de ntwi e de abo oma obudi de chi no ho ban ono akro na o say o betwa de ntwi no odudu mom na say virus ni bi ache no eti wode wa utie anase wa hwe ese video we fa kwa adwudwene mu obi bia obekọ de nche no o se bra betwa de ntwie o se bra betwa dwan betwa de ntwie betwa dwan na eno na ode beba ho ban eno na ode beye sei eno na ode beye sei
hwe me Kwabena Asiamah me chiro direction a me say mamuja ba ko pe mamudwan ba ko pe na me sisa ukra me sisa wa bra bo mamu mamudwan ba ko nantwie baako na me sisa wa bra bo mamu na onse ade na wo fam na wo sei awie ya ba no mami moja de nantwie moja ne odwan moja timi ye no oda wo mu nimu se wo nimu a wo mu nimu
se owa hobambo a na so se otimi twa de ntwie etimi de bo obi hu ban se de be a onipa kro ebenya spiritual protection e ba de say na o se obetwa de ntwie e de aboard members hu ban a odo an kasa ne mu de wantimi amo de hu ban an kanyame ko anka president virus no eku no. That is why I'm making this video said de be a wa na wutie no odo hu beto Jesus Christ so rather than say odo ore be hye obi mu bonsam oni kwa no wetima ma obi Jesus Christ kwa da won kwa obetima ma obi. So you have to put your faith and your trust in Jesus Christ. Okay, Bible say, what shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses the soul? Or they always say open utentem, open fast track, and uti okwakucha ojan and answer the tree. But okono can who say you are going to exchange something. Would be in a kwakwaji bibi. Sabranti way so our hobamba. I don't know one more amount for Hubai and free COVID-19. No one kasa entimi amon Hubai and free COVID-19. And so Osi Obetra and Tree. It will no idea of Dimina and the tree any Ojana Obetra. Neso Kai Fasiwa you say, and yet Abraham Yankupon, Isaac Yankupon, Jacob Yankupon, O Chasa and Trino Ediamano, O Cha Ediama on one Casa. The spirits are Oisu, and I said the Sumaya Oisua, and free Jesus Christ. Eruti na me yesa video we. Very funny. Mikura po mi hedo. Masere, it is very funny. Oh, say nya areshemu ewo bibu say obi a oye me member bia no, you will not get COVID. And so onu amu no onya COVID. Eti no fakwa adwudwunim. Eti yabe ya doma, we shall meet again. Thank you very much. Bye.
Tina me nantwie bo hoyi. Me be srempa e body amount. Wa wo ya Ajagurajah ni ba tie bi o. Wa wo ya Ajagurajah ni ba. Me di nantwie ba be srempa e body amount. Se wo ni wo busua. E bin council.
But I am a victim of coronavirus.
Oh, you had it?
Yes, I had it.
The spirit allowed you to contract.
But before on sa corona, before on sa corona,